life like boss them. Me no Louis and Gucci. Me man no Suzuki, me just pick up Gucci. She knew me no slow, not too long, forget the Gucci.
Why is she, what? You told the foreign man now, you start calling Pum Pum Gucci. But anyways, what I say? Why she look at talk so? I don't look for me to at the same time, because I mean she look for no, not no. And me, she look for me, because I'm me right to the video. What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss, and I'm back again with another video for you all. Now it's been a minute since I've done the music video reactions, because yesterday I took a little different route. Yesterday I just uploaded a video. I try and post every day, don't get it twisted guys, you understand? But I was just like tired, I'm tired, you need to take a rest. So actually I slept all entire day yesterday, you know what I mean? But anyways, I'm back again. I hope everyone is doing well. The virus, I think, it's a mess up everybody life. So I open the home. You see me, I say, I know what people not to eat, and them things. So I just open the home and all the vibes, and I'm not get on the head. You see me, I say, I'm open a bill, just chill. Everything will be alright. You see me, I say, go and see some Bob Marley. I'm not be funny when I say that. You see me, I say, just go and listen some Bob Marley and go and chill. You see me? Yeah, guys, right now, everybody I face it. Just you. Say, if you say you go through the worst thing in your life right now, brother, if you say, your life alone hard, remember me tell you, it's affect every single body, yo. Everybody's affect. That's you, brother. You see me? So just make sure say, only now go the wrong road at them time, but just stay strong. You see me? I say, if you go dig little yam out of a bush or something, this or that, I actually look near or something. Don't go take up the badness right now. Don't go rob nobody, because they must face it just like you. The richest somebody face it right now. So just open and behave on yourself, dog. You see me? I say, because I know I have mostly male watch the channel for one. You see me? I say, I saw a kind of content on the pre already. I not before them say that, I saw a kind of content on the love already. You see me? I say, someone so open say, oh, nah, do the wrong thing. You see me? I say, big up on yourself. Thank you for the support. I'm going to see what I'm going for the second. We have Jafrass in the big people. One world boss. You see me? I say, official music video. You know the chap already. I don't listen to the music or watch the videos before I react to it. So hopefully I just react to this together. So just special like panda video, so we can get 50 likes panda video. They may say, we see what going on, man. Jafrass, one world boss. Run tune. Jafrass visited his hometown, and this is what happened. This sound like a YouTube video tag when they're making a YouTube video. That's like a YouTube video tag. Run tune. Got the drone in. Aye. Whoa! The ladies them there in there too. Big up, not nice record, you know.
No joke.
No joke.
Shit up and coke you. You no need money, we no have to be no friend, boy. Rise against one word, you a dead boy.
Same son of youth. You see me, I say, you no need money, we no have to be no friend, dog. You see me, I say, see if you come and go and say, yo, you the shit, bruh. Remember this, you have no money, we no need you. You see me? Right now, money we need most of anything in the world right now. So see if a boy go and say, you're the shit. You have no money, remember say you have no money. You have no friend. I'm telling you, man, run tune though.
Never touch but in a crack, me no egg boy. Waste man can't pop.
Man say never take in a crack. You man a egg. But you not talk about the egg, you get a dog. What you also say, yo, you might take crack. No drugs thing, you me I say straight. I tell weed them man about youth. You do me? Run tune though.
Pussy now, that girl, them strike. I'm a friend, I'm a sniper.
See me, I say straight off the bat, you know. Man say him not go so. Him don't eat, no eating off the buffer. No eating off the buffer around here. When me attack, so when me a fumble. No fumble them the argument. You. No eating off the buffer around here. You see me, I say, yeah. Girl, them a striker. Run tune here, man.
Don't try stop me, police, me bribe you.
Bumbo class. Straight off the bar, say, Babylon, don't try stop me in the dark. Come here, go bribe you. And you go take it, come here, get a full, a healthy bribe. Right now, I know you need more than me. Hey, then Babylon, I know why Babylon system is so corrupt in the dog. I never bribe a police yet still, but. So I'm not going to say, I never bribe them yet. But I see it happen. Like me, not caring happen. Why them stay so? Run through. Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Okay. Well, I miss everything. I miss everything when I'm just saying while I go come to the girls. You know how long when this one girl on music with that? You know how long me I wait for the baby to come back in the music? That's all I want over this. You know how long wait for the girl to come back in the music video? I don't even know how long I see I not even see a fat sexy. Jada Kingdom! Jada Kingdom! When you drop a music with them and I want to go on. Chance here! Spice! Drop some music with them, man. Mom tell the man they want to see some fat batty girl.
One word boss, girl I use it another one word class.
Whoa, fuck blood!
Can't clip my wing, gonna be my vibe.
Woo! Girl, is there a round of applause, girl? Clap it up for the beat, people. Clap it up for the beat there. Girl! She have a nice little action and say, yo, Tyreek, look upon me. Me look good. Me want you see me, yo, dog. Run through to my buckler.
Boss them, one word boss. Me no take check, go get my gun them fast. In a Fendi, where my bike girl just can't clip my wing.
Once one real boss. I go back in there, because I see why I look to the because the girl she just come in at the video and just come this chat me. But I say one real boss. I can't tell them what I sing about. Or word boss. You know something, yo, me just realize that's like name word boss. I need a conky in my head. Why am I look on this bro? I say one world boss. Why me the first time I see the title? I say what? Jafrass song name one word boss. The song name one word boss. Yo, me just have a fat conky in my head, dog. Bumbuckly it. Yo, me sure that me just have a fat conky that me just say the song name one word boss. Me just a see it. Bumbuckly.
Gonna be my fly boss them. Me no Louis and Gucci. Me man no Suzuki, me just pick up Gucci. She know me no slow, not too long forget the Gucci.
Why she what? You told the foreign man now, you start calling pum pum Gucci. But anyways, what I say? Why she look at talk so? I don't look for me to at the same time, because I mean she look for not no. And me she look for because I'm me right to the video. Bumbuckler, man, say one, give me the coach. The tough word, and the fire man, I say America come see them call pum pum coach and them something the dog. Yeah, you know, if a few Jamaican them would do it to their brother, but me never know the dog. Run through.
On the ends when I bring her down moving. We get groove, bitches, I'm too spooky. She don't know me pick up, but me know she's a groupie.
Yeah, the man lyrics dog, we get groove, something too. Bumbuckler! But I mean, look good. People, if a girl look good, we want to smash a like on the video. Do me say if our lips them look good, to want to smash a like on the video. I must want to smash a like on the video regardless. You see me? May I try? I don't realize it. The video them with the most likes. And them one day have the most views. I really have pretty views, but more people for still think that. Because I church 10,000 subscribers in the people. You don't know chop already. So I want to subscribe to the channel if you don't subscribe yet. Run through though.
I look at them like police on duty. Said she feels safe because she know me, I shoot it.
Bumbuckler, yeah. Hey! 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 John, I'm open the one to stay safe with the quarantine up and thing. But hey, girl! Woo, child! Big up yourself, woman. Reaction boss, see you. If you didn't want me to see you, I'm see you now. Big up yourself. Good day, bad man out and stunting in the dark. Run through door. And she shake it up. Yeah.
One word boss, gotta use it in the one word class.
Bumbuckler, one word boss. Gotta use it in the one word class. Hey, you sang tough. But I say you sang the name one word dog. Big man is brother. I think I say one word boss. And that I see dog. I see title. I say what? But Jafrass, big up yourself. You see the first Jafrass music video or song overall maybe I react to. You see me and say, and it's a good look. But in the title and the start that them say Jafrass went back to his hometown. This is what happened. So if I saw your hometown lit, bro God, why you left it? Because right now your hometown are going with a bag of chips the dog. Run through door.
In a Fendi, where my bike girl just can't clip my wing, gonna be my fly boss.
Yeah. Look at your hometown lit.
Me no take check, go get my gun.
Look at your hometown lit. Be a money, be a girl. But you don't say if you have a strap for protect yourself and things, you know. But be a money, be a girl, and the thugs them out there too. The me I say. But as me I say, dog, that be there. I know one dog. I ask myself that, oh, the one them control themselves in the video and the girls them look so nice tonight. I don't know, dog. I don't know, boy. I don't know. But all the control themselves, dog, when the girl them look so beautiful in the video them. All the control themselves. Now forgot tell me that I'm a soon turn artist too. Everybody had the music. Now forgot go do it. Run tune.
In a Fendi, where my bike girl just can't clip my wing, gonna be my fly
X6. Why I realize that most of the record label them from what they, you know. I realize say, yo, them start of the mass. Them, well, really most. I say current, I see. But I say, why, I want to go on. I don't say currency, I don't some money in the dog. Because remember, you know, really think the party and to keep too hard and them something and to go on much again in the dog. You see me? Because I see Shabdan have it first. Shabdan first me see with it. I'm not saying the info started. You see me, I say. But Shabdan, come out with it. You see me? No, I see not nice with it. You know what I mean? Make the money, capitalize on everything. So I show and say, yo, I'm open the home dog and I find a way to make the money, brother. You see me? Because right now, if me never go work in that, I don't know what I'm going to do. Because you know, say YouTube. Right now, I get views, my channel monetize and things. But the money not really come in, dog. But the big money, if money make it to can't pay that even one of my bill them. Lie me at all. Can't pay. No, money make it to can't pay one of my bill them, dog. You see me? Not even one of my bill them right now, dog. Not even one. You see me? But still I do it because of the money I do it for. You see me? I say. But do the things still run tune.
World class, in a Fendi, when my buy girl just can't clip my wing, gonna be my flight pass. You don't need money with no fit, be no
friend. What are they, Mr. Jafrass? But just hear what you say. All you know, you rich E. Me, I got Fendi go buy girl jazz. Me right here saying on my birthdays right now. I got Fendi. Boom, come nearly by myself. But me, I got Fendi go buy woman jazz. Jafrass, you mad? Jafrass, you lick your head. Jafrass, the song bad and thinking that the girl look good enough, but she don't deserve Fendi jazz. She don't deserve Fendi jazz. My order money, Fendi jazz. Jafrass, you alright? You must blood clot lick your head. Run tune.
Against one word, you a dead boy. Never touch but in a crack, me no egg boy. Waste man can't park on me hands, boy. Me no eat pussy, no head a kill them strike. I'm a friend, I'm a sniper.
Def? Yo, me not like no. Me beg to myself. Mr. The man sang me in one world, boss. I don't know why I said that or why I never really tackle good. But I hope you enjoy the reaction. I finish the song still. I go finish the song. You see, I hope you enjoy the reaction. I hear me and say, I want me give you a different little vibe. You know what I mean? I want to something for like watch today. I don't know some of the favorite YouTuber that even upload as often as me. You don't know chap unless I'm my favorite YouTuber. You see me and say, someone wants to big up to all on here. I go finish the song still.
Have some killer with a raise suicide. Don't try to stop me, police, no bribe it. For me, girl,
man, we bribe you.
one word boss, girl, boss. Me no take check, go get me go.
You yourself in the Jafrass. Big up yourself too, woman. I see you. Woman. I see you. Big up on yourself, people. Thank you for checking out my video. I hope you all subscribe to the channel if you all are new. Remember, we're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. And I will say it in the next video. Big up on yourself. Subscribe to the channel for the new. Like up the video. I got 50 likes in the button. Surprise me. Give me 100 likes for the video. Give me 1,000,000 likes for the video. You see me I say, the more like the video get, the more like or dislike the video get, and the more it will get promoted to YouTube. I mean, I really watch numbers, you know. But most want more people see the thing. You know me? Big up on yourself.